Try one of these. Man, hold up. You gotta try this, big time. So I was short on time last night, and so I had to make a real quick meal. Now, man, it was good. So I'm like, you know, I gotta share this one with y'all. Hopefully y'all can use this for a lunch, for a dinner. But man, it was good, and it was so easy to make. So I'm here at the grocery store to show you what ingredients you need to get to knock this out. It is so simple, and you keep this in stock, and it just, man, I only had a few minutes, and I said, you know, I gotta make me a quick meal, try to keep the proteins high, keep the carbs low, and man, it tasted great. So let me show you the ingredients. Need some beef, all right, whatever beef you want to get, 93, 96, however lean you want to keep it. Just get you some beef, 85. I bet you that tastes good. Low carb, no carb tortillas. These are one of my favorites right here. These carb counters, they are super soft. You don't even need to heat them up. You can just eat them like this. Make sure you grab some of these Laughing Cows. Ain't nothing funny about these, man. These are really good, okay? Grab you some of these Laughing Cows. I'm gonna show you what to do with them, but man, keep them in stock. These things are great, okay? And they taste great, really soft cheese. All right, so you can get the light version if you want to watch the fats a little bit, or you just get the regular because they're so small, it's not going to set you back too much. So just get you some of these. All right, keep these in stock too. And I highly recommend getting you some Kettle and Fire bone broth. This is the best tasting one I've ever had. I've used a few different bone broths, and this actually tastes great. You put this in the meat as you're cooking it. Man, it gives it so much flavor. Okay, so on the meat, you're just gonna use whatever taco seasoning you want. I just use only sasheries, and that worked out great. So, and some of this, and that's all you need right there. I'm telling you, watch. On the hot sauce, I'm gonna show you at the house which hot sauce I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna get it here because I already have some at the house. It's not the hot sauce you've been thinking. So make sure you stick around and check that out. I gotta let you know about this hot sauce. It is good, and it might not be the one that you're thinking. So let's get home and make this meal. I'm getting hungry. Come on, guys, I'm back here at the house. Now, one thing I did forget to mention that you should get if you can, these right here, frozen veggies. This is just a 3-pepper onion blend. Get you some of these, all right? So mix these in with the meat. I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking right now. Mix these in with the meat, gives it great flavor. You just keep them in the freezer. So I forgot to show you these, but definitely check these out too. Now let's check out the ingredients real quick. 7 ounces of the beef, with a 3-pepper blend cooking right there. It's gonna be just some red jalapeno garlic, some all-purpose little tahini, slap your mama, and some cayenne pepper. But one thing you wanna use is that Kettle and Fire bone broth. I'm about to pour that into the meat. Gives it great flavor. The little Laughing Cow cheeses, all right? So we're gonna take these, and we're gonna put these on the tortillas. This brand right here is really good. This is the one that I use. I'm gonna take these little cheeses, all right? I just got one, and I'll show you what to do in a second. I like to use this to chop the meat with that. There we go. Let's go ahead and mix all the veggies in there together. Just gonna go ahead and season it up a little bit. Just hit it, hit it, hit it. Red jalapeno garlic in there. A little cayenne pepper, that's gonna give it a little spice. All right, but don't put too much. Throw these tortillas on the meat, just real quick, not too long. It's gonna heat them up a little bit, but as well, it's gonna give them a little of that flavor on the tortilla. All right, so I just took the tortillas off. You see how the water's still steaming too. You just take one of your little cows, little Laughing Cows, spread a little bit on there, on your tortillas. One little triangle is good enough for 4 of them. This is what you're gonna use. The little Laughing Cow, they come in little triangles like that, all right? So pick up some of these. These are really good, all right? Once again, we're using the low carb tortillas. Just spread it on there. See that? This is nothing but added flavor. That cheese flavor is so good. I'm telling you, you gotta try this one. I made this in minutes last night. It was so good. And I'm gonna tell you about that hot sauce in a second. Your tortillas are ready. All you gotta do is put the meat on there now. Check it out. All we're gonna do now is just fill them up. Look at that. Look at the size of these jokers. They're all ready to go. You got 7 ounces of beef. You got your peppers and onions. You have the Laughing Cow cheese spread on top of the tortilla, and then put the meat on top. Now, the hot sauce I was telling you about, you might think I'm crazy, but bam, this right here. Yeah, Taco Bell fire sauce. Man, don't knock it till you tried it. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments. This stuff is good, I'm telling you. Now, Taco Bell, you might, oh, I ain't putting no Taco Bell hot sauce on my taco. Man, I'm telling you, try it out. Let me know what you think. This stuff is good. I used to think the same thing. Then I tried it out, put on some tacos. Man, this stuff is fire sauce. Obviously, look, I keep another one in stock just in case. Sometimes they're out. So I keep one on deck just in case, all right? Taco Bell fire sauce. You can find it, okay? Let me know if you like it. It's good. I'm telling you, it's good. It's coming in at around 442 calories, 52 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, let's say 1 carb, all right? So that's for 4 tacos, 52 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that. And this I made in minutes. I needed to make something quick. So I had the ground beef. I had everything in stock. You keep all these ingredients in stock, just easily make a meal real fast. I use 7 ounces of beef. You don't have to use 7 ounces of beef. This is 93 lean. You don't have to use 93 lean. You can use a 96 lean if you want to go leaner. You can use an 85 if you really want to get greasy. Let's go. But whatever you want to use, you don't have to use the same meat. Make sure you weigh it out. Just get you a scale, all right? That's all you need. Get your scale, weigh out the meat so you know how much you're gonna get, know how much protein you need to get. If you're trying to get to a certain weight, let's say you wanna get to 150, try to hit at least 150 grams of protein a day. All right, if that's your goal weight, if you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to get down to 150, try to at least hit 150 grams of protein a day, okay? So weigh out whatever you gotta do. It doesn't have to be 7 ounces. Some people tell me, they're like, whoa, that's way too much, and this is just what I like to eat, okay? So this is a way I can get 50 grams of protein in one meal. I'm all about it. Adjust it to your personal macros. Find out how much protein you need. Start there, okay? You need to get 1 gram per pound of body weight you wanna be at, all right? Is that easy enough? So you wanna be 150, get 150 grams of protein. Try, if it's hard, watch my videos. I have plenty of videos, breakfast, lunch, dinner options, snack options on how to reach your protein goals quick, okay? So go look at some of my other videos. I have it all on there. Follow me on my other socials. I go on there daily on Instagram, TikTok, all those. On there daily, show you what I'm eating, show you my exercises, show you the steps I'm getting. I show you everything I do, and I'm giving you the blueprint of what to do. Whatever your goals are, I can help you get there, all right? I'm gonna keep sharing this stuff. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try. This is just basic tacos. I mean, there's nothing special about it. I made it so quick, and it's so easy, and it tastes great. I'm telling you, this tastes great. If you're looking for a low carb, if you're on a keto diet, this is perfect. All it is protein and fat pretty much, you know? So however much fat you wanna get, if you wanna get more fat, go with the 85% meat. And I'm telling you, that stuff has some good flavor in there. You don't even have to worry about it. But season it however you want. Now watch on the seasoning. Some of the seasonings you gotta watch because a lot of them will have carbs in there. Okay, so you're like just dumping carbs all over your meat and you're like, well, I'm trying to go low carb. Next thing you know, you just dumped a ton of carbs all over your meat to make it taste better, right? So you gotta watch that. Check all the labels. I'm gonna go eat this. I'm gonna put some of this on there. I'm gonna go eat it. Man, it's gonna taste so good. I had it last night. And I was like, I have to share this one with you. Hopefully this will help you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. Let me know if you're gonna be trying it or what is your go-to quick meal that you can make 10, 15 minutes and it's healthy for you, okay? It'll fill you up. This is gonna keep me full. And this is just lunch right here. 50 grams of protein right here for lunch. You can't beat it. So I'll see you next time. Let's get better.